Scary Town True Stories presents The Snow White Wolf, a frosty tale of terror. In the heart of a tranquil village nestled between snow-covered mountains, there existed a chilling legend known as the Snow White Wolf. Gather close as we embark on a journey through this frosty tale of terror that will send shivers down your spine. As winter cast its icy spell upon the village, tales of a majestic white wolf spread like wildfire. Locals spoke in hushed tones about the creature, its fur as pure as the freshly fallen snow, and its eyes as cold and piercing as the winter night. Some whispered that it was a guardian spirit, while others believed it to be an omen of impending doom.